Yo, what's up mga kakabs?
Hi amigos! Hola kaibigan! Hi!
Ayan, shout out sa iyo mga followers. Shout out po sa ako mga followers. So, we bought two different meals. And these two different meals have the same packaging.
Pero na difference. So, unsay difference?
So, ang difference is ang ako ay oyster, tiyaha wala.
Oh no!
So, ang magduwa taron. I'm gonna guess, tagano na ko ni mga kakabs. Kani wala ni oyster. Kani wala ni oyster, kani naa. So kung sakto ko, siya, ako siyang ipa-truth or dare. Kung sayop ko, ako iyang ipa-truth or dare. Okay? So kani walay oyster, so iyahan ning walay oyster.
Pero, the same answer, diba? Okay, how we are guessing because of the weight. And this one
The
is...
weight.
Oo. This one is heavier ba?
Every.
Oh, heavier ni... Okay, you didn't change that.
No?
Okay. I guess, my guess is this one is without oyster. So, dish ko. Imo ka. Pare basta ang answer mo, oy.
Mag-live ko.
Mag-live.
Okay, so karon mag-open nami kay mangaon nami and tanaw na to kung daog ba ko or pildi ko or unsa ba. Ready?
Wow.
1,
Wait,
2.
wait.
Count.
Mabilis ka.
Okay, you count.
Dili ka patient.
Hmm?
One.
Pili daw ko patient. 3.
2. 1.
Wait. Okay. Nothing. Oh, wait.
Pero wait.
Yeah. Okay.
Ready ka?
Not yet. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, so let's do it in 3, 2. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna do the counting again. 3, 2,
1. 2 and a half.
2.5. Okay, no more interference. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Yes, I have the oysters. I got the oysters. Aha. So you're gonna have to do the truth or dare, okay?
I'm correct.
Wait. Hey, she's taking it back.
I said this is without oyster. Oy.
She's taking it back.
Oh no!
That's unfair. Where are you taking it?
I can't believe that.
Wait, do you have double rice? These are double rice? I didn't know it was double rice. Hey, blessings. That's all mga kakabs. Thank you sa lahat. And maraming salamat sa pagsuporta. Bye-bye.
Happy.